Welcome back to Cheryl's Journey. So today I'm gonna be cooking. I'm gonna be cooking some 2-minute microwave recipes that even you can make. They're sweet. So let's get started. So the first one I'm making is Oreo cake. So the ingredients you need is 2 tablespoons milk, 2 tablespoons powdered sugar, 5 Oreos crushed and the cream here, and 1/4 tablespoon baking powder. We are going to be using the cream to decorate at the end. I'm just crushing them. Okay. I'm going to get my cup and let's get started. So I'm going to be spilled it all. 5 Oreos. So pour them in. Okay. Now I'm gonna be putting in some 2 tablespoons of milk. I'm just gonna pour it in. 2 tablespoons powdered sugar. Okay. And finally 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. Okay. Now I'm gonna mix it all together. Okay, now I'm gonna put this in the microwave for 2 minutes. Putting it in the microwave for 2 minutes. If you don't have so if you don't have the exact same microwave as mine, no worries. All the microwaves are probably the same, so nothing happens. And all these cakes I'm making are mug cakes, so you don't need to bake them in big casseroles. Voila! Your Oreo cake is ready. Now we're gonna decorate it with some cream. And I crush it a little and spread it. You can add as much as you want, as much as you want. How much? I want to add a lot, so. And the Oreo cake is ready to eat. Okay, now we are on to our next cake, which is apple cake. Apple pie cake. Sorry about that. So we are making apple pie mug cake, obviously. So the ingredients you need to make apple pie mug cake is you need some butter, 4 tablespoons butter, melted and cooled, 3/4 cup flour, half teaspoon baking powder, half cup sugar, 1/4 cup sugar, flat, and this is also flat. You need half teaspoon cinnamon powder, half cup milk, room temperature, 4 tablespoons butter melted and cool, and you need vanilla extract. I'll get vanilla extract, and you need vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, or any essence. And you need half cup apple puree. They are boiled apple. This is a half apple which is boiled, and then you make a puree of it. So let's get started. So first we put in the flour. You have to take an adult's help to get the right amount of, tablespoons and teaspoons here. You have to take help from an adult for the puree, apple puree. My mother helped me make it. Thank you, Mama. Okay. That is actually too much of it. Okay, now I'm gonna be putting in some baking powder. Now some sugar. Okay, now I'm gonna be mixing butter and sugar. I forgot to do that. So I'm gonna put the butter and I'm gonna mix it. So I'm gonna take another separate spoon. I guess I do not want to get it off. I just took a spoon. Yeah, I'm gonna take this. Got something wrong. Got this thing. Just keep it right there for the thing. No. Okay, so that is my little brother again making those noises. Okay, so now I'm mixing the butter and the sugar. Now I'm gonna add it in this. Oh yeah, sorry. I'm gonna first put milk. Okay, I just took all the flour and the baking powder out, and I mixed the sugar and melted butter in the bowl. Now I'm gonna add some milk and flour. So a little bit of milk at a time, and maybe one, maybe two at a time. So I'm gonna keep on doing this. A little bit of milk. Now I'm gonna stir. Ooh. Okay. And then. Okay, now I'm gonna mix it. Alright, now I'm gonna shift it to a bigger cup. Because I'm gonna use a spoon. Take this out. This actually become as a batter. Because everything was splashing while I was mixing. I really need a bigger cup. Okay, now I'm gonna add the cinnamon powder. Okay, and now the puree, apple puree. At the time, little. I don't wanna overdo it. Alright, maybe this is enough. We'll just add all. Oops. Tastes nice. Alright, now I'm gonna add little vanilla essence. Extract, sorry. Okay, I'm gonna add. Let me see. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon. I'm gonna add just a little bit. Maybe that's enough. I don't want to overdo this vanilla essence. I did all over my hands. I really needed a bigger bowl. Now I'm gonna put it in the microwave for 2 minutes maybe.
Start.
Okay, I'm gonna put it in the microwave for 3 minutes. So we'll do 3. Let's go. Okay, so I have my apple pie mug cake ready here. Looks very tasty. And I'm gonna put some powdered sugar just for decoration. Sprinkle it all over the apple pie mug cake. And now for some that was for taste, the sugar. And just for some decoration, I'm gonna put some cinnamon powder. Okay. And there, voila, your apple pie mug cake is all done and ready for eating. So now we're gonna be making banana cinnamon mug cake. So the ingredients you need to make banana cinnamon mug cake is a half a banana mashed. You need some flour, 5 tablespoons flour, some vanilla essence, 2 tablespoons milk. You need a pinch of salt. You need 1/2 tablespoon powdered sugar. You need 3/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder. Sorry, this is brown sugar. I accidentally said powdered sugar. This is brown sugar. I accidentally said powdered sugar. Okay, where were we? Here. Okay. So this you need some let me just check. Okay. Here. 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. You need some powdered sugar for taste. And finally, we need 1 tablespoon vegetable oil. Okay, let's get started. So first, we will add mashed bananas. Get the spoon. They're a little liquidy now. Okay. Now, we will add maybe milk. Now, some vegetable oil. Okay, now let's add brown sugar. Some baking powder. And flour. Sorry, some cinnamon powder. A pinch of salt. A little. Did I get it? Okay, good. Now, little by little, let's add some flour. Okay. Now, we will mix it. Now more. I'm adding 2 spoons at a time. Okay. Now the whole thing. And also a little bit of vanilla essence. Just a little at a time. Now I'm gonna mix. Okay, now I'm gonna microwave for 1 minute. Okay, so my banana cake is ready. I'm gonna add mug cake. I'm gonna add some powdered sugar for taste. Just sprinkle it on the top. You can eat it with anything. You can eat it with cold ice cream, hot mug cake with cold ice cream. Tastes yum. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take all my things and I'm gonna taste them all. I'm gonna get my spoon. Alright, so I'm gonna go with Oreo cake first. It settled down, so it looks like that. Okay, here you go. My first bite. Tasting if it is hot. It's really yum. I'll go with apple pie mug cake. It's chewy. Okay. It's too hard to get out. Whoa. May have added too much flour. The one tastes really cool actually. Looks nice. Just yummy. Okay. I really love this one first. Now for the one we recently made. It's hot still. Okay. It's still hot. Okay. It's really nice. Mama. It's actually really cool. Okay. Okay. This one little brother. Okay, so hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. And comment down below how all your mug cakes went. All the best for your making, and bye for now.